So let's talk about the URL field. So how do we create a URL field? We'll click on new and select URL data type from here. So what URL field helps us with? So let's try and understand. So basically, let's say you have a website that you would like to record on your object for your customer. So you can use a URL field to record that particular website so that it becomes a URL, and user can immediately go and click on that URL and it would take you to that web page. Some people may argue that we can also use a text field for it. Yes, you can, but in that case it won't be user friendly. You would have to copy and paste that link in a new tab and then click enter, and then it would take you to that page. So let's create a URL field, and then we'll see how it helps us in going to that link as well. Right, so we'll click next. Let's call it URL field, and the next all other fields will keep blank and default as is. Like said in previous videos, you can make any of the field required. When you make a field required, the user has to fill in that value before saving that record. A user cannot leave a required field blank while saving the record. Keeping rest as is and save. So we have got our URL field here. So let's create a record 5. So let's put Salesforce here and click save. So now you can see this particular value is highlighted in blue, and if I click on it, it would open a new tab for me and it would take me to Salesforce website. So see, it has opened a new tab and we have landed to the Salesforce web page. If you keep it a text field, then this will not happen, and you'll have to copy it from here, something like this, and then you'll click on a new tab, you'll open a new tab, you'll paste. You can either do paste and go, or you'll paste and then enter, and then the page will open up for you. So that is the benefit of using a URL field. It makes the user interface friendly. Please share your questions, thoughts and feedback in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.